Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing volume number look 3, okay, for our fall lookbook series. You know, today I'm thinking orange. We're just gonna go ahead and go orange. I know it is after Halloween but no, it has nothing to do with Halloween. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go orange, and we're just gonna hop right on into it. So as you can see, the brows are already done. They're did. We do them ahead of time. We're going to go ahead and put some concealer on our lid. Today we're going to use the Juvia Place number 14 on our lid. And a beauty blender. I'm gonna blend her out. We're gonna go ahead and go in with Culture from the Proceed with Caution palette. And we're gonna use that as a transition shade. Next, we're gonna go in with Thic, excuse my palette, from the Perception palette. If she's a little dirty, she gets used, so. Now we're gonna go in with, we're gonna use this one, Red Brick from, I'm pretty sure this is MAC. Yeah, Red Brick from MAC. We're gonna go in with Warning, and we're gonna place that on our lid. Go back in with that Red Brick shade and work that on the outer edge. Pat over that so it's not so harsh with that Warning shade. And then you're gonna go in with Thic and just take her above. Make sure you're nicely blended. We are going to line. We're gonna line them. So go in with your liner. We're gonna put our lashes on and bees back. Okay, so while that is on and has gotten a little tacky, we're gonna go in with our Chestnut Too Faced Born This Way foundation. gonna tell me I dropped foundation on my shirt. Girl. Anyway, so we're gonna go in with our Juvia's Place concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Oh, we're using shade 12. Okay, so now we're gonna blend out our concealer. Take your foundation brush, or if you use the Billy Blender, and kind of just go around just a better one that. Then we're gonna take our Bye Bye Pores and dust that over. Covered up my wing. I didn't drop makeup on my shirt. I mean foundation on my shirt. We're gonna take our poof and our Fenty Honey powder. And now we bake. While we let that bake a little bit, we're going to go in with our Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer in 9 Intense. Go ahead and dust. That will bake off. We're gonna take some more of that bronzer and we're gonna contour our nose. Then we are going to go in with some blush. We're gonna use, I think I'm gonna do a little mix of Tall and B and C. We are going to put that Thic and red brick. Yeah, so we're gonna put Thic and red brick under our waterline, lower lash line. We're gonna take some eyeliner and line our waterline. we're gonna go ahead and spray our face with a little Fix Plus. While we let that kind of dry, we're gonna grab our brow gel mascara while we let our face kind of dry off. Okay, so we're gonna put our lash base on our bottom lashes. Let that get a little tacky. We're gonna take our mascara and just brush over our top lashes just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Then go ahead and take it to your bottom. Okay, so we're gonna grab, breaking out some old school Jaclyn Hill and the Becca palette, and we're gonna use Champagne Pop. And let's go with our lips. So we're gonna use this Colourpop lip pencil in Love Bug. Just gonna line. Go in with the Slow Down from Colourpop and Shayla and put that in the middle. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. She's cute. She's fallish. We are definitely liking her. But as always, y'all, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please also share my channel, share my content with others to help me gain my following. And have a blessed and happy Friday. Bye guys.